Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the packaging. This is what the wig came in from CURLSQUEEN. This bag and a little brochure. This is CURLSQUEEN, and it has information about the clippings, and this is 18 inches of kinky curly natural black, and a little bit more details saying that the hair can be washed, conditioned, twist, dyed, etc. Their contact information and a return form or refund form. So that's what comes in it. So I got these in the packaging. These are some clips and then some extra clips for the clippings, and I got some sewing thread as well, and these are the hair. These are the hair, and this is one bundle. So as usual, you guys know that I always wash my hair before I install them, so I'm gonna wash these. This is what the hair looks like. So I get one. Oh, and they're double wefted. That's nice. The clips are a little bit more sturdy than clippings that I've used, and these are double wefted, so that means you don't need a lot of hair. So we get 10 pieces and all of them are double wefted. Can you see? And the clips are strong and sturdy. They're not like thin. Okay, so these are what normal clippings look like from other companies. Like, they're thin. One bundle won't be able to do it. So comparing to others, these are CURLSQUEEN and this is another company. And I always start by using warm water and right out of the packaging is shedding, but I don't know if it's because I accidentally cut some of the hair when I don't know if it's because I accidentally cut some of the hair when I was cutting the weft thingy, like cutting them apart, so I'm not sure. But whenever I reach to the long bundles, then I can tell because I did not accidentally cut any from them. But from there, this is what I'm getting so far. I'm gonna use some shampoo. So now I'm gonna rinse the conditioner out with some cold water to keep the moisture locked in. That shed while I was doing. I'm gonna use these bundles. So this is what it looks like after I wash and dry the hair. As I said, they're double wefted, so one bundle should be enough. I'm gonna go in with my edge control and I'm gonna slick my edges. So this is what the first style looks like. Okay guys, so for the next I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Let's see. I'm gonna spray some water in the clippings. The only thing I don't like the ends on these. I feel much better. Much better. I'm gonna start putting them in. I'm gonna use the one with the 3 clips first. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I like it. I look like a, what do you call it, was a princess. I like the princess. But it's nice, very lightweight. It is comfortable, only right here because of the hairpins. Kind of feel a little bit uncomfortable, otherwise it feels really good. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to check out CURLSQUEEN. All the link and information will be listed in the description bar, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.